Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the Islam and beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 7D for New Secondary Mathematics book 1 class 6 subtract students, and exercise number 9D for New Syllabus Mathematics D1 for A level 11 students, and question number 9. A car travels the first 50 km of its journey at an average speed of 25 meters per second, and next 120 km with an average speed of 80 km per hour, and the last part of the journey with the average speed of 90 km per hour for 35 minutes, and we have to find the average speed of the entire journey in kilometer per hour. So students, there are three parts of the journey. In first part, distance is given and average speed is given, so we will find the time for first part. For second part, distance is given and average speed is given, so again we will find the time taken for the second part. And for third part, average speed is given and time is given, so for in third part we will find the distance. So at the end we will sum up all the three distances and all the three times, and then complete distance will be divided, total distance will be divided by total time taken, and that will be the average speed. So students, first I am going to solve first part, in which distance is given. Distance is equal to 50 km and average speed is given. Average speed is equal to 25 meter per second. So students, we will convert the speed into kilometer per hour, and when we have to convert meters into kilometer, we will divide 25 with 1000, and when we convert the second into hours, then we will multiply the number with 3600, and then the speed will become kilometer per hour. So it is written as 25 over 1000, then the meters will be converted into kilometer, and when we divide second with 3600, and then it will become hour. So it is denominator. So when we will divide denominator, it will become numerator, multiply by 3600, and the unit will be kilometer per hour. These two zeros will be cancelled with these last two zeros, and 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, and 2 8s are 16, so 18 5s are 90 km per hour is the average speed for the first distance. So students, as we have to find the time, so time is equal to question mark, and formula of average speed is distance over time, and time we have to find. So students, time will multiply on left side and average speed will divide on right side. So time is distance over average speed. So students, distance is 50 km and average speed is 90 km per hour. So kilometer will be cancelled to kilometer, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. So the time is 5 over 9 hour. For the first part of the journey, the time is 5 over 9 hour. Now students, I will find the time for the second part of the journey. Again the formula will be distance over average speed is equal to time. So I am going to solve second part, and in second part, time is equal to distance, and distance is 120 km, and average speed is, students, 80 km per hour. Kilometer will be cancelled to kilometer, 0 will be cancelled to 0, and 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So the time for second part of the journey is 3 over 2r, as r is denominator in denominator, so it will be numerator. Now students, for the third part of the journey, I will find the distance because average speed is given and time is given in minutes. So first I will convert time into hours. So students, I am going to solve the third part of the question, in which we have to find distance, and average speed is equal to distance over time. Distance over time, and we have to find distance, so time will multiply on the left side, and average speed multiplied by time is equal to distance, and average speed, students, is 90 km per hour multiplied by time is 35 minutes. So if I divide 35 with 60, so it will become hour, and that is equal to distance. So this r and this r will be cancelled. This 0 will be cancelled with this 0, and students, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 5s are 15. 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. 105 over 2 kilometer is the distance for the third part. Now students, I will find the total time and total distance for all the three parts. So here I will write total distance and total time. So students, total distance traveled, total distance, that is equal to 50 kilometer plus 120 kilometer plus 105 over 2 kilometer, or you can say that it is 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and 52.5 kilometer. We can write here the total distance is 52.5 kilometer. 52.5 kilometer. Now students, after point there is only one digit, that is 5. 2 and plus 0 means 2. 5 plus 2 means 7. 7 plus 5 means 12, and 1 carry. So total distance is 222 kilometer. So student, 222.5 kilometer. Now I will find the total time, and that is, for the first part of the journey, the time is 5 over 9 hour, plus for the second part of the journey, the time is 3 over 2 hour, and for the third part of the journey, the time is 35 minutes. So I will divide 35 into hours, and all the times are in hours. Now students, I will cancel 35 and 60 with the same table of 5. 5 7s are 35 and 5 12s are 60. Now students, I will sum up all the three times, and that is 5 over 9 plus 3 over 2 plus 7 over 12 hours. Now students, we will find the LCM of 9, 2 and 12. 9 is not the multiple of 2, so 9 is written as it is. 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 12. Again 9, 1 and 3. And now students, 3 3s are 9, 1 and 1. 3 3s are 9, 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 and 1. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 18 2s are 36. So the LCM is 36. 36 divided by 9 means 4, and 4 5s are 20, plus 36 divided by 2 means 18, and 18 3s are 54, plus 36 divided by 12 means 3, and 3 7s are 21 hours. Now students, 1 plus 4 means 5. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 2, 9 over 36 hours. So the time is 95 over 36 hours. And we have to find average speed. So students, average speed is equal to distance over time, and total distance is 222.5 kilometer and total distance is 95 over 36 hours. As students, 36 is denominator, so it will become numerator and written as 222.5 multiplied by 36 over 95 kilometer per hour. Here I will use calculator to multiply 36 with 225.5 and divide it with 95. So students, average speed is 84.32 kilometer per hour. Students, question number 10 of the same exercise is the diameter of a wheel of a car is 60 centimeter and he is moving with an average speed of 13.2 meter per second, and we have to find the number of revolution of the wheel per hour. So students, first of all, I will find the circumference of the wheel in meter, as diameter is given in centimeter. So first I will convert the diameter of the wheel in meter. So students, diameter is equal to 60 over 100. When we divide centimeter with 100, then these centimeters will be converted into meter. So it will become 0.6 meter is the diameter. And circumference of the wheel, is equal to pi d, and the value of pi is 3.142 as given, and d is 0.6 meter. Now students, I will multiply 0.6 with the value of pi, that is 3.142, multiply by 0.6, and it is 1.885 meter. The circumference of the wheel is 1.8852 meter. And now we will find the distance that is traveled in 1 hour with the average speed of 13.2 meter per second. And time is, now students, average speed of the car is given. Average speed is 13.2 meter per second and time is 1 hour. Now students, I will convert hour into second. 1 multiplied by 60 mean minute and again 60 mean second. So it will be 3600 second. And we have to find the distance, and distance is equal to average speed multiplied by time. And students, average speed is 13.2 meter per second, whereas time is 3600 seconds. So students, second will be cancelled with second, and when we multiply 3600 with 13.2, we will get 47,520 meter is the total distance. And in one revolution, the wheel is traveling 1.852 meter. And now we will find the number of revolution of the wheel he makes in 1 hour. So students, 1.8852 meter is traveled in 1 revolution. And students, 1 meter is traveled in 1 over 1.8852 revolution. And students, total distance is 47,520 meters. So 47,520 meter is traveled in 1 over 1.8852 multiply by 47,520 and it will be revolution. Now students, 40,520 will be divided by 1.8852 and the number of revolution will be 25,209. 25,207 approximately revolution the wheel is taking in 1 hour. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.